Come on, everyone. He's nearly here.
Nipper!
Hello, everyone. I'd like to introduce you to my new partner.
Why is he opening up the back? Is his partner in the boot?
Everyone, meet Shadow. High five. Low five. Roll and pose.
Oh! Wow!
Nipper! You're so embarrassing.
Pleased to meet you, Shadow. You should come and meet Radar.
I'm going to train Nipper to be just like that.
No, you won't. I tried training Nipper last year. I said sit, and he chased Lion up a tree.
Yes, I will, James, because I'm a much better dog trainer than you.
Oh, really? Prove it.
I will. And by the end of the day, I'll have trained Nipper to do at least one trick. And that's one more than you ever did.
Catch it, Radar! Catch it! Ah, there's Radar. Oh, who's a good boy? You are, Radar. Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
There you go, Shadow. Meet Radar. Radar, this is Shadow.
It looks like Radar might have some competition catching that ball, Elvis. Competition? Ooh, I don't think so, Sam. Radar is like a ball-catching champion. Watch this.
Whoa.
Oh, well, don't worry, Radar. That was just a lucky catch.
Right, Nipper. I'm going to teach you to do your very first dog trick. How to do a high five.
This dog training website says that you have to start off easy, not go straight into teaching tricks.
Well, this is easy for a dog trainer like me. Watch. High five. No, Nipper. High five. High five.
I told you so.
Okay, take control, Sarah. Use a calm and deep voice. Calm and deep. High five.
I told you so. Again.
Okay, let's try repeating the command. Nipper, look at my hand. High five. High five. High five. High five. High five.
Just saying high five 940 times is not going to work, Sarah.
But I think it is, James. He's going to do it. Nipper!
What are you doing now?
Looking at that dog training website of yours, actually, James.
Hey, that's cheating! How's it going?
Well, Elvis keeps throwing the ball for Radar and, Shadow keeps catching it.
Okay, maybe I should take Shadow back to the station. You know, give Radar a chance to play with his ball.
No, Radar's fine. He's definitely gonna get one soon. Because I'm going to throw the ball really, really high. And Radar's brilliant at catching high balls. Aren't you, Radar? You are. Oh, I know. I could give Radar a head start. Quick, Radar! Catch this! I told you Radar would get... Oh.
Who on earth loses one boot in a park bush?
I think that might be mine.
Crunch. It says here that when a dog doesn't listen, you just need to be firm.
I tried that. I'm telling you, Nipper doesn't pay attention to anything.
How's this for firm? High five!
You might as well give up, Sarah. Nipper's never going to do a high five.
Nipper, come here!
Sarah, stop! We need to get out. Mum, Dad, better call the fire station.
There is a fire at the Wholefish Cafe, and Sarah is inside looking for Nipper.
There's a fire at the Wholefish Cafe, and Sarah's inside looking for Nipper.
We need you all to move back for your own safety. Thank you.
I'll find Sarah and Nipper.
I'll tackle the fire.
I can't see Sarah and Nipper. I'm going to check the basement.
Roger that, Sam.
Sarah! Sarah!
I'm here, Uncle Sam!
Oh, Sarah, we need to leave.
But I can't find Nipper!
Don't worry, Sarah. We'll find him. But right now, I have to get you out of here.
The fire's out, Sam.
I couldn't find Nipper anywhere.
What is it, girl? Go, show me.
Why is Shadow sniffing Nipper's toy?
She's trying to find him for you. She's concerned about the smoke.
Lead, radar!
That's it. Follow.
What a team! Hooray! Oh. Clever dogs.
Sorry, Penny. I was training Nipper and somehow he got into the cafe and turned on the stove.
Well, Sarah, you have to keep a very close eye on dogs and make sure that you always know where they are.
Lizzie's checked the dogs over and they're all fine.
Oh, Nipper, I'm so glad you're safe. All thanks to Radar and Shadow. You see, James? I told you I would teach Nipper at least one trick. High five!
You are going to love this, Hannah.
I really can't wait.
It's a perfect start to learning all about marine biology.
It's so beautiful.
Isn't it? And the more you look, the more you see.
Don't worry, Mike. We've got you.
I'm all topsy-turvy.
Easy does it.
Oh! Oh!
Going down.
So, Mike, I see you've turned painting into an extreme sport.
And added quite an original look to the lighthouse.
Oh, no. I've only gone and got me creamy, slightly off-white emulsion all over me, rusty rouge red. Oh, I'm going to have to get back up there and do the job properly. Oh, no.
I think maybe we should finish the job, Ellie.
Let's call it emergency prevention. There are so many little creatures in here.
I know. Sometimes you can even see some starfish.
Starfish?
Yeah, but I'm not sure we're going to see one today. We need to get going.
Oh, can't we stay a bit longer?
Sorry, Hannah, but the tide's coming in. This cave's already filling up with water.
Oh.
Don't worry. There'll be lots more chances to see starfish. Come on. Uh-oh.
Where's the boat?
Oh, no. Maybe the anchor came loose. Come on, we need to paddle after it.
Jodie, my kayak is being pulled sideways.
Mine too. We've been caught in a riptide. That must be what happened to the boat.
What's a riptide?
It's fast-moving water that can pull you in the wrong direction.
Oh, what are we going to do?
Well, first thing is, don't panic. It's not going to pull us under, but we do need to get to the boat.
Oh, I'm not getting anywhere.
We need to go with the current.
Whoa, Jodie! Jodie, are you okay?
I'm fine, Hannah. But do you think you can make it to the boat?
No problem. I've won trophies in kayaking.
You need to paddle parallel to the shore for as long as you can. If you do that, the riptide will help you along.
You sure you're okay?
Yes, I'll just drift with the flow and save my energy. Get to that boat!
Ho-diddly-do-diddle-up. Oh, hang on. You've missed a bit. And be careful not to put it on streaky. I've got my reputation as a master craftsman to think about.
I think I'm going to abseil down there. Take my paintbrush and...
There. I think we're done.
Well, that's a good day's work I've just done there.
I'll give him a good day's work in a minute.
Take a deep breath, Ellie.
Stay still.
Come on, Hannah.
Hello? Hello? Mayday! Mayday! Oh, no. Here we go.
You go, Hannah.
Oh, no! Someone is in real danger at sea. Better call Ocean Rescue. Wait, you are Ocean Rescue.
It's Charlie's boat. Looks like it's been pulled by a riptide.
Hannah and Jodie are out there today. I'd better contact Ben.
Jodie and Hannah are caught in a strong riptide near the rocks at Pontypandy Point.
Jodie and Hannah are caught in a strong riptide near the rocks at Pontypandy Point.
Sam, Ellie, we're on our
Roger that, Penny.
Welcome aboard.
Ellie, you take Titan.
Roger that, Sam.
Those rocks are too close together. I can't get Titan in there.
No problem. This is a job for Neptune. You go and make sure Hannah's okay.
Roger that, Penny.
Hannah! Grab this!
Oh, Ellie, it's so good to see you.
Nice to see you too, Hannah.
Is Jodie okay?
I hope so.
Jodie, try and swim clear of the rocks. We're coming to get you. Keep her steady, Penny. Take my hand.
Oh, thanks, guys. Whew. Just in time, by the looks of things. I'm really sorry. I should have looked up the latest tide charts before we set off.
Well, the waters around here can be a bit tricky.
Next time, just check in with me and I'll give you all the info you need.
Thanks, Ben. And really sorry about your boat, Charlie.
Don't worry, Jodie. She's been through worse.
I just hope all this adventure hasn't put you off being a marine biologist one day.
Are you kidding? I can't wait to go back and see those starfish.
Oh, hello, you lot. I've heard Charlie's boat's had a bit of a scrape. Oh, yes. A bit of me creamy, slightly off-white emulsion and she'll be as good as new. I think I've got quite a lot left.
I'd keep your ocean rescue uniform on if I were you, Ellie.
Right, anyone got a paddleboard? No? Pair of skis? Bit of driftwood? Waders and a balloon? Overfed ducks?
The Pontypandy Pizza Fiesta is taking shape. Tasting tables, check. Guest pizza tasting judge, check. Hungry audience?
Yay!
Brilliant. So let's see if our pizza-making teams are ready to start. How you doing, Charlie?
I've built sailing boats that took less time than this, but I'm done.
It cooks by burning real wood.
And it's going to make the best pizza in the whole of Pontypandy.
There's no way that thing is going to beat our oven.
It's powered by gas and ready to go. All I need to do is press me button.
Oh, no one stands a chance against Team Price. How's our oven coming along, Ma'am?
All plugged in and ready to go. So, which pizza shall we microwave first, Norman? The plain cheese or the corned beef surprise?
Quick, Dad! Everyone else is ready to go!
Okay. Looks like someone disposed of their barbecue coals in the bin again. I hope this doesn't take too long. We don't want to miss the pizza fiesta. Fires come first, Elvis. And the quicker we put this one out, the sooner you'll be... Stuffing my face with stringy cheese and tangy tomato on a soft, chewy base. Oh, yummy. Well, don't worry, Elvis. A bit of water and sticky foam should take care of this in no time. Sticky cheese? I mean sticky foam. Coming up. Sorry, Sam. Ellie, what's your favourite pizza? Mine's definitely an Hawaiian with extra cheese.
Oh, good question.
Come along, no pizza talk on duty. And whoever heard of a pineapple on a pizza? Yuck! Now, pepperoni on the other hand. Ooh, now, that's a pizza.
Ooh, now, that's a pizza.
Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza. Now, that's a pizza
Right, everyone. Tasting is in 20 minutes. Let's make pizza. Toss your dough and add your toppings.
Oh, that's a high one, Mandy. Oh.
Hurry up, Dad! The pizzas are nearly ready to cook.
Slow down, you two. The oven needs time to heat up.
We don't want to slow down. We want to win.
This better not taste of your aftershave, Dad. I can't get it. Hen!
Oh, yes. No.
One potential wildfire.
Out. Excellent work, team. Now, let's get back to the
Pizzas? Please say pizzas. Oh, please say pizzas.
Well, Cridlington, I was going to say fire station, but now you mention it. Ooh, all this talk of pizza is making me feel rather peckish.
I'll get packing. For some reason, I'm thinking more about spaghetti than pizza at the moment.
10 minutes till tasting, everyone.
We need to get cooking, Dad.
Right you are, Mandy. All fired up and ready to go.
Oh, looking good, Mum. Hurry up, Dad. We're waiting.
I've got it going, but it's not quite hot enough yet.
Oh. Quick! Everyone else is already cooking theirs. Time's nearly up.
And done. Team Price is ready. Ta-da!
Oh, very authentical.
Ours is done too.
Oh, very nice. Pleased with that.
Hurry, Dad! There's no rubbish. We're bound to win.
But we can't win if it's not cooked.
Right, let's get cooking.
30 seconds.
We have to get them out now.
Okay.
They look brilliant.
Don't start without us.
Nothing can stop us now. The pizzas are cooked.
Yay!
Now it's over to Bella for the tasting. Shall we start with this one? Fire! Fire!
But I didn't put any chili on it. No, Bella means a real fire. Fuck!
Better call the fire station.
There is a fire in Pontypandy Park, and all the pizzas are in danger of burning.
There's a fire in Pontypandy Park.
And all the pizzas are in danger of burning.
Not the pizzas!
We need you all to move back for your own safety. Thank you.
got a burning wood oven, a gas canister, and an electric microwave.
I'll disconnect the microwave.
And I'll keep that gas canister cool.
Switching to sticky foam.
Roger that, Ellie. The fire's spreading.
I'm on it, Sam.
Our pizzas!
It looks like the source of the blaze was this wood-fired oven. Sorry, Sam. That was our oven. I may have been in a bit too much of a hurry.
That was James's fault. He kept rushing Dad.
No, I didn't. You did. Well, whoever it was, you need to remember that you have to be very careful when cooking outside, especially when you're using a real fire.
Sorry, Ellie.
I say, Cridlington, have you found any leftover pizza?
Not a single slice, sir.
Oh, that's very disappointing.
No more pizza today. But who fancies fish and chips?
Ooh, jackpot! Snack for the journey, Elvis.
I think I'll wait for my fish and chips, sir.